Jacob. Welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question tonight. So we have this picture of a guy in a hot air balloon where we have two angles of depression of a field, the near side and the far side. And here are the angles of depression I've written into the field right, or the picture right here. We need to find the height, which is x, and the distance they are from the near side of the field, which is y. So I set up these two tangent formulas, which is opposite over adjacent. There's two triangles. Here's the big one right here I'm going to put in red. And then the small one I'll put in blue. And they're both right triangles. So this one is going to be the blue one right here. And this one is going to be the red one. And so now if we solve these both for x, I'm going to write this as, solve these both for x. So tan 25, I'm just going to approximate that right now. Tangent of 25.4 is going to be equal to 0.47. And then if I cross multiply, what I get is this right here equals x. All right? So now what I want to do is I'm going to do the same thing over here. Well, actually, I'm going to multiply this out first. So 0.474. We'll call it actually 5. And then this is going to be 474. This is y equals x. And now tangent of 34, tangent 34.7 equals, so x is going to equal 0.69 to y. So now we can set these two things equal to each other and solve for y. So 0.475y is going to equal, plus 475 is going to equal 0.692y. And that's because they're both equal to x, which is the same thing in this problem right here. That x, the height. So now if we solve for y, we're going to minus 0.475y from both sides. So minus 475. So what we get is 475 equals point, this isn't a negative, it's positive, equals point positive 0.218y. And then if we do this, divide each side by that number, 0.218, we will get y. Well, y doesn't have to be down here. So y equals 2,000, and since we're doing sig figs, we're going to round to 2,180 feet for y. All right? So now we can set that back into our original problem. We can set it into this problem right here. So now we get tangent of 37, or actually 34.7 equals x over 2,180. So tangent of 34.7 times 2,180 equals, so we multiply both sides, and x is going to equal 1,510 once we round to with the significant digits. So those are our two answers right there. This is the height, and this is the distance away. All right? Thank you for sending in your question, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.